Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana right here on the Fusion markets. Right now I'm having here Dogecoin and we want to buy Solana. So what we're gonna do is click on search symbol and search for SOL. Then we have Solana to USD standing right there. So we click on Solana to USD. And now what we need to do is click right here on new order and select right here the volume that we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy one Solana, the volume as 1. So this is fine for now. And then what we're gonna do from here is we can also add a stop loss or take profit if you want to. So yeah, you can decide to do that, to do a little bit on risk management, and then just click right here on buy by market. And if you can see, we just created our position for Solana and now it's standing right here with our price, volume, and the price right now. So this is how you can create your position in Solana. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.